Revolutionizing 360-degree videos, the world's only dedicated SoC and multi-lens turnkey solution. Welcome to the future of immersive worlds. Now, we will take you on a journey into a new era of panoramic visual innovation, which combines multi-lens technology with cutting-edge SoCs. The revolutionary solution of Cupola360 is redefining the market of panoramic videos. It is entirely different from the traditional CCTV technology, and it opens up limitless possibilities for use cases that were previously beyond the capabilities of traditional CCTV. Dedicated SoC, a new revolution in panoramic image stitching. Traditional panoramic image stitching relies heavily on laborious software post-processing, consuming significant computational resources and time. The results often fall short in terms of real-time capability and long-term operation. Therefore, they are mostly limited to consumer products due to high costs. Now, we're unleashing the new possibilities with our dedicated image stitching SoC, Cupola360's vertical image processors. Cupola360 uses advanced chip fabrication processes, efficient hardware processing capabilities, and proprietary algorithms to seamlessly merge video streams from multiple cameras in real time without the need for intricate post-processing. This means you can instantly obtain high-quality panoramic views without any delay. Beyond fisheye, the magic of multi-lens non-fisheye lenses. In the current market, nearly all wide-angle cameras use traditional fisheye lenses that cause image distortion around the edges. In contrast, our wide-angle Cupola360 cameras stand out from the existing products by leveraging non-fisheye lenses in a multi-lens system. These lenses not only eliminate distortion, but also enhance the viewing experience, providing an unparalleled level of immersion that traditional fisheye lenses cannot achieve. With reduced deformation and distortion, AI applications can easily understand and analyze the images, greatly improving AI accuracy and judgment. Cupola360 Smart Patrolling, Redefine real-time monitoring. With Cupola360, you can immerse yourself in panoramic views from anywhere in the world. Whether you want to remotely inspect a factory's real-time operations, perform on-site patrolling from the perspective of an employee, or even conduct virtual client visits and audits, you can do so without physically entering the facility, thereby avoiding any disruption to daily operations and potential contamination. This level of real-time immersion is a significant advantage and innovation, making remote visits more vivid and lifelike. Cupola360 Smart Patrolling System can be set up in only 1 to 2 weeks. With Cupola360 and AI integration, our customers can save time on their daily routine of factory patrolling and greatly improve production and operational efficiency. Open Platform and AI Revolution. Our unique Cupola360 cameras are built on an open platform, allowing users to freely choose third-party or in-house developed AI services. This is different from traditional CCTV providers who lock users into their AI services once their hardware is purchased. Customization options are also limited by the provider's schedule and resources, and concerns arise about the possible use of proprietary knowledge by competitors. Our open platform not only greatly reduces the cost of AI applications, but also increases customization flexibility and security, while maintaining possibility for future expansion. Furthermore, our SoC-enabled cameras not only support multiple real-time video outputs, but also fully comply with ONVIF standards, making integration with existing video management systems a breeze. You no longer need to deal with multiple systems. This simplifies the integration of this new technology into existing factory operations. Cupola360, a visual revolution. Cupola360 technology brings many economic benefits. Besides the benefits mentioned earlier, when used in a factory, it frees up more space by eliminating the need for visitor pathways. This means you can get more valuable space in your factory. Moreover, it greatly reduces the costs in wiring and back-end equipment installation. With AI-driven inspections, It reduces manpower and increases productivity and return on investment. Ultimately, the combination of multi-lens and SoC technology revolutionized panoramic imaging, surpassing all traditional methods and opening the door to limitless possibilities in future applications, such as factory inspections, smart cities, tourism, education, transportation, and many more. With Cupola360 solution, you can inspect factories, optimize production, save costs, and achieve long-term monitoring in any environment more efficiently. Experience a new immersive world with Cupola360.